How to find and see your inventory on your account on Steam PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and see your inventory on your account on Steam. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top here and click on view, and then all what you have to do now is so simple. Just click here and click on inventory. Now right here you will find your inventory easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.